So this is going to be a quick video about how to disassemble and reassemble your Pentel Graphgear 1000 mechanical pencil. Here it is, how it arrives normally, how it would normally be used. You can push it in to lock it, push this to unlock it. To take this apart, there's a number of pieces and some will come right out, like that cap piece right here and this eraser, but we'll leave the eraser in here since I have some lead in here. You could take this front piece off right here. It's sort of the tip protector. You have the grip piece right here. The grip has a little rubber sleeve inside, which you could pretty easily take out with just a pencil or something like that. It's a bit of a pain to get in there, so I'll leave it, but you can take it out if you'd like. And now we have this black piece. This comes off as well. Just turn it. It will be a little stiff, but if you give it a twist, it will come out. You have to be a little careful since it's spring loaded. There's the spring, it comes right out. Don't lose this. The spring is very hard to replace. Now everything seems fixed in place, but you just have to push this down and you can pull out the mechanism here. The body is here. It's not really anything you could do with this. Sometimes this clip breaks and it's really hard to repair. I haven't been able to really effectively repair it, so be careful with that. And if you're watching this to replace this, then I would say you're pretty much out of luck. Again, you could remove this piece, but your lead will come out. Really nothing much else to do there. Now you could remove this piece right here. This metal piece will come out. And be careful if you have some lead there, it'll crack that lead unless you pull it really perfectly straight. And now you could see this is the clutch, and nothing else at this point can be disassembled. So this is pretty much it. There's really nothing else you could do at this point. All of this, it seems like it should come apart. I haven't found a good way of taking it apart. Even if you slide this down, you can see the clutch, that little collet piece, that's open now, but it's really no good way to take it apart. Okay, to reassemble this, I would recommend putting this metal piece back in place, tightening that down, putting this in here. Is not going to want to go. You have to push the clip down. It'll lock in place, right like that. Put the spring there. Get this black piece. You have to put it under pressure, so be careful there and don't aim it at your face or anything like that. Now you'll want to release that pressure by pushing this down. You could finish tightening it. Put the grip in place. Make sure you have that window at the top. Now you can go ahead and tighten that down. You might want to turn this to the right area for the lead hardness you're using. In this case, it's HB, and now tighten it down. Put the cover back in place, and you've reassembled your Graphgear 1000. Thanks for watching.